Hi there! In today's video, we'll show you how to use a smartphone to replace a traditional handheld barcode scanner and have the results sent to a connected computer in real time. This solution solves the limitation of traditional handheld scanners not being able to scan QR codes and can also save on hardware costs. It employs a client-server architecture where the computer acts as the server that receives barcode results from a mobile client. We use Flutter to implement the cross-platform UI of the mobile native app, Dynamsoft Barcode Reader Mobile SDK for barcode recognition, Bonjour for network discovery, WebSocket for communication, and Python for network services and keyboard simulation. Let's start by implementing the server side of the solution. Install the necessary Python modules on the computer. First, use a subprocess to obtain the computer's IP address. Then start a WebSocket server on the IP address obtained using the WebSocket package. The server is designed to listen to the Control-C signal to pause. When a message is received from the mobile client, PyAuto GUI is used to simulate keyboard input. To make the WebSocket server discoverable, integrate Bonjour into it using the ZeroConf module. Now we can run the server. Next, let's move on to the client side of the solution. We create a Flutter app using the Dynamsoft Barcode Reader SDK. Install the Dynamsoft Capture Vision package and initialize the SDK with a license key. Use the Bonjour package to discover the Bonjour service server. Add the camera view to the widget tree so that the app can open the live stream. Once a barcode is captured, the result is transferred to the server using the WebSocket connection. Now we can run the app on an Android or iOS device. Please ensure both the smartphone and computer are connected to the same network. For demonstration purposes, we create an Excel file on the computer. This is where the barcode scan results will be displayed. As we scan each barcode, the results will be automatically displayed in the Excel. And that's it, a simple and easy way to use a smartphone as a wireless barcode scanner. You can clone the project from our GitHub repository into your local machine to give it a try. We also provide a step-by-step tutorial guide for your reference. You can check the link in the description below. In the next video, we will explore how to create a web-based scanning app to achieve this. Stay tuned, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.